Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a SKU system in your small business to organize your products. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, make sure to subscribe today. I do upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business. So don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So let's go ahead and dive into the actual tutorial. So now I'm using Excel to create an inventory management sheet, if you want to call it, or a SKU sheet. And Excel to me is the easiest way to do it. And the reason why you want to have a SKU organization of it is because you're able to see what you have. You're able to keep track of your product. You're able to keep track if you do have photos for that particular product, the title of the product, listing description, tags, and then if you want to start selling across different platforms. So let's say you start off with Etsy and then you want to start adding these products to Shopify or maybe to Amazon or maybe to your own website.com. Then what this is going to do is going to really help you manage your product and services without you being overwhelmed and without you being all over the place. So all you will need to do, what I normally do is I break it down into the section name of the particular items. So if you sell, for an example, if you sell jewelry, all you will need to do is put the name of your business on the top. So you would type in right here, name of your business. And then if you sell jewelry, I will split it into sections. So if you see down here, it says sheet 2, and then if you click on the plus sign, it gives you another sheet and so on. What you would do is name each of these. You would do the same on each one, the same layout, but each one will be a different category. So you would do the rings first. Let's say that's the one that you want to start with. And what I normally do is based on the category that I'm in, I go R100 because R for ring. And then I will put here product. Let's say the product is, I don't know, a silver ring, right? And then photos, I would mark it like, yes, I do have photos. And then I would do title. You could copy from the listing your title. Let's say I just put silver ring, stunning pearl. Let's say that's the title. I'm just using that as an example. And you could just go right here to kind of put it that way. Listing description, you could just copy and paste from your actual listing and put it in here. And the same with tags. You would take the tags that you already did research on to rank for, and you would put the tags here, just separate them by commas. So if it says silver ring, you will type in silver ring, then you will type in large ring and whatever other keywords, and make sure that you put all your tags here. Now, once you have this filled out, the next step is putting your photos in a folder. I recommend writing down all your SKUs, writing down all your products. God forbid something happens and maybe your store gets suspended on Etsy, or maybe you have a Shopify or a website and you get hacked, or something happens that you lose all your information. You have it saved already. You have your product name, you have your photos, you have your title, your listing description, you have your tags. So it's going to be really simple to re-add them again. It's going to be a headache, but it's going to be really simple because at that point, all you're going to do is copy and paste everything that you already put in here. Now, when you start saving the photos, what I recommend is doing a folder that has your store name. So the folder will be something like this. So it will be this. It has your store name. And when you click on it, it has other folders. So rings will be one folder. And when they click inside the ring, then you will have a folder for each photos. Because if you have multiple photos, let's say you do have like an Etsy store and you did use all 10 photos, you want to put them in a folder together so you could just keep them together. But that folder, you will name it R100. The next folder, you will name it R101. R102, and you would keep all of those in the ring folder. And then you will do the same. Like once you go to the next category, you will name this, let's say bracelets. And then you would do the same. You could copy, you could just simply go here and kind of like copy and paste and just put it up here. And you would do the same thing. Now for bracelets, what I recommend is doing B100, B for bracelets. And then you would do the same thing. You would type in the product name. You would type in that you do have a photo. You would type in the title of the actual product, the listing description, and the tags that you use. And this is how you will keep inventory of your SKUs, your products. And then once you start sharing your products in other platforms, let's say you started with an Etsy shop and now you want to go ahead and proceed with a Shopify. So what you would do is you would say, okay, this product is on Etsy, this product is on Shopify, and this product is on Amazon. Maybe you don't have it on your regular website. But if you want to create the same product and distribute it in different platforms like Etsy, Shopify, whatever other platforms you have, you could add the platforms here and you could just simply put an X where you have that particular product. If you don't have it there, you could just leave it off. And that way later on, when you come back to check, you know where that particular product, you need to add it to that particular platform. So this is the best way to organize your products, keep track of where your products are at, and at the same time, have a backup of everything just in case something, the worst thing happens and your information gets deleted for some reason. So you could easily do this using Excel. It's very simple. It shouldn't take you that long to do, a few minutes to kind of do the categories. What it does take you a little bit longer is just the copying and pasting. But because you already have these listings already in your Etsy store or maybe in your Shopify store, all you're doing literally is going in there, copying the title and putting it in here, copying the listing description and put it in here. Writing down all the keywords and putting them in here. That's all you're doing. And then making sure that you are saving your photos in a folder that has the SKU number. So this particular product here, you will save it on the folder called R100. And then you do the same thing for bracelets. And then you do the same thing, maybe necklaces. And then you move to the next product. But you keep this. And this is the best way to organize your SKUs and keep everything in one place. So I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you. Make sure that you leave a comment below if you have any questions about this. And thank you guys for watching.